But you've been so out of touch, that about you way too much. Overall, I'm thinking us. Cause you've been so out of touch.